Hello, welcome to the Fluent tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Victor Paint effect. Let's go to the tutorial. I'm going to make this image a little bit sharper. I'm going to make a copy for this one. Ctrl J, pressing Ctrl J. And I click this copy, filter, sharpen, shape reductions. I click this one. It's automatically reducted, and the sharpness, I click OK. Here you can see the difference, it's become sharp. Now I'm going to duplicate this image, Ctrl J pressing. Now I'm going to add this layer to filter the other high pass, and click this one and give the radius not more. I will give this is okay. I want to remove this pink color and the bluish color. I go to image, adjustment, desaturate the layer. I make the desaturation, and I'm going to change the blending mode for this one, linear light. And I'm going to merge these two layers. Click here with Control, right click, merge layers. And I'm going to make the stamp visual layers. Control Shift Alt E, stamp visual layer here. And I'm going to add the filter for this one. The filter styles, or the diffuse filter. Here I'm clicking animation, this one, clicking OK. Now you can see here I'm going to press the Ctrl plus, some brush effect for this here, and I want to remove this one. You can remove like this. You can go to image, how to rotate this one, rotate image clockwise 90, and I'm going to add this diffuse again. I'm going to image, rotate the image 90, filter, diffuse, and I'm going to image, rotate 90, and add this diffuse again, and image, Control plus zoom. Now you got really nice paint effect here. And I'm going to press again stamp visual layer, Control Shift Alt E, and I got the stamp visual layer, and I'm going to make it right click here, convert smart object. Now I'm going to add some filter for this one, this layer, filter, I want to add filter, sharpness, I'm going to add sharp, smart sharp. I'm going to change this amount is okay, 240% and 3 pixels. I'm pressing OK here, and I'm going to add some blur for this one, filter, blur, surface blur, add this to 30, and this one here 15, and clicking OK. Now I'm going to add some curve adjustment layer here, adjustment layer, curve adjustment layer, and I'm going to adjust the dark part into black, and the light part can become to white, like this. I want to add this mask to apply the image. I click here this mask and image, apply image, and I press the invert, click OK, and the curve again. Single lines. and again I am pressing, and again I am getting a stamp visual layer, pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. Now I am going to add the same filter again, filter, sharpen, smart sharpen, same amount, okay, filter, blur, smart blur, so surface blur, okay, and I'm going to reduce this opacity 40 to 50. Here this is the original one, and this is edited. If you like this video, hit the comment and share it. Don't forget to subscribe.